Brothers, let's have a heart-to-heart about something that affects us all. The harsh reality of fake friends. In today's world, it's a sad truth that many people don't have real friends. We find ourselves surrounded by people who seem to be on our side, but when push comes to shove, their true colors show. These fake friends can drain our energy, betray our trust, and leave us feeling more alone than ever. They create a facade of friendship, but behind that mask lies deceit and selfish motives. Imagine confiding in someone you thought was a friend, only to have them use your vulnerabilities against you. Or consider the so-called friends who are only around when they need something from you, vanishing when you need support. Fake friends can lead you astray, encourage bad decisions, and even sabotage your success. They can make you question your self-worth and trust in others. This negativity can permeate every aspect of your life, leaving you disillusioned and isolated. But how do you identify these fake friends? What are the signs that can help you distinguish between those who are truly there for you and those who are merely pretending? Today, we're going to uncover 4 crucial ways to spot fake friends and protect ourselves from their toxic influence. 1. Absence of shared principles. Real friendships are built on a foundation of shared core principles. In the past, men chose their friends based on mutual values and honor. Today, many of us fall into the trap of picking friends based on shared activities or habits, which is a mistake. Brothers, true friendship goes beyond superficial interests. It's about connecting on a deeper level with shared beliefs and principles at the core. Without these, the relationship lacks a solid foundation and is easily shaken. 2. Lack of exchange of value. Friendship should be an exchange of value, where both parties benefit from each other's strengths and weaknesses. If you find that you are the only one giving, or that the relationship feels one-sided, it's a clear sign of a fake friendship. The more value you exchange with your friends, the stronger the bond becomes. Brothers, remember that real friends will always offer mutual support, and both will grow together through the relationship. 3. Presence of fake friends with hidden motives. Some friends can pretend to share your values and principles, but in reality, they have hidden motives. These individuals might appear genuine, but are only in it for their gain. Brothers, it's crucial to be cautious and observant. Fake friends often reveal themselves through inconsistent actions and a lack of true commitment when times get tough. Trust and loyalty are key. If someone lacks these qualities, they are not a real friend. Number 4. Loyalty and honesty. Loyalty and honesty are the bedrock of any real friendship. Men in the past valued these traits above all else, understanding that without them, no relationship could stand the test of time. Brothers, evaluate your friendships based on these qualities. Are your friends loyal? Are they honest with you, even when the truth is hard to hear? A real friend will never betray your trust or deceive you. Brothers, as we navigate our social lives, it's essential to discern real friends from the fake ones. Real friendship is rare and precious, built on shared principles, mutual exchange of value, and unwavering loyalty and honesty. Beware of those who pretend to share your values but have hidden motives. By identifying and distancing yourself from fake friends, you create space for true companionship to flourish. Stay vigilant, stay true to your principles, and you will find friendships that enrich your life. Congratulations for joining our family by hitting that subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, like and share, See you next time. Stay strong and stay focused.